What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing a DIY wreath using how do you say that? Grapevine. I think that's what it's called. But anyway, I got my grapevine off my mother's fence. She actually is the one who cut it off of it. I don't know exactly where you could purchase a natural grapevine in this state, in this whatever form. But I know you could get it free at somebody's house. So ask around and see if you can get it free. Because I wouldn't why are you gonna purchase some twigs? Come on, let's keep it real. So that's what we're gonna be doing here. And I'm gonna do it freestyle for you guys. I'm gonna try, let me correct myself. I'm gonna try to do it freestyle for you guys. Because I want y'all to see the actual process. And it ain't gonna be easy. Let's just start there. Depending on the shape of it, the shape, the structure, and the strength of it, if it's weak or whatever. So if it breaks off, it breaks off. If we get a wreath, we get a wreath. So let's start, y'all. That's enough talking. So over here is already a circular shape, okay? And back here, it's all kind of wish-aways. So I'm gonna start with my circular shape, and I've already, let me show you. I already intertwined that to make that shape. And you just do it, just be gentle, because you don't want everything to keep breaking off until it locks in place. So you see I made that lock into that place. Now, this back part, this is kind of fragile. It's weak. It's not as strong as I would like it to be. But hey, just still try to maneuver it using it. So try to stay in the camera. So that's why I do a lot of stuff off camera. Because number one, the video might be too goddamn long. But hey, we'll get it done. So I just came over here on this side of the grapevine. And you see how that's loose? You just want to try to connect it, intertwine it, so it can lock into place. So it ain't really trying to lock. So I'm going to just take this part and come back over here and lock that bad boy. Now, I'm going to let y'all know right now, this ain't going to look perfect, guys. And I don't want it to look perfect. I want it to look natural, just like raw in a sense. That's the look I'm going for. Now, if you want something to look more put together, you might take a different approach. And that approach, you'll probably be using the wire, that crafting wire, to get a better shape. But for me, as long as I formulate a circle and it stays in that place, then I can work with it. That's what I'm going for. And then it may not be as big as I was thinking it'll be. Because this bad boy look like it's getting smaller and smaller. But you see that circle forming already. And I'm liking it. So what I think, because this piece down here, this little dead piece, it ain't doing what I want. I'm going to still try, but if it break off, like I say, it's just going to be gone from a design. Uh-oh. It's coming together. What? Look at that. I didn't have faith in it, but it maneuvered it. I'm sorry, guys, but my phone overheated, so hopefully y'all got the gist of what I was doing. I just kept circling, and go with the flow with your grapevine. Don't try to force it into doing something that you can see that it's not trying to do. So I just kept going around until I got me close to a circular shape to my liking. Now, if you want it to be more neat or whatever, you can of course break off some of this stuff. And you see this one in the back, I could bring this up and bring it up. It's acting fool with me. And use it. And that's all I was doing, just to give a recap of what I was doing before my phone started overheating. And you just tuck it in anywhere. And that acts as your glue, your fasteners, or however you want to word it. And it gives it shape as well as structure. It's literally providing structure so it won't be all everywhere. I like the little things, but like I say, you can break them off, but I think it adds character. So this is going to be my shape. And you can take that, the juke, is it called a juke? Juke thread. I don't have none right now, but you could get that at Dollar Tree, and you could place it or whatever. If you want your structure to be, how should I say, more, if you're worried about it coming apart, basically, you could use that jute thread or whatever it's called and place it, or you could use wire. But this is literally not going nowhere. It is, watch, it ain't finna pop apart or anything. Okay, yeah, I didn't even see it. I had it all the way up there, but it ain't finna pop apart. Look, boom, I dropped it. It's still together. So anyway, the next step to add some embellishments to your awesome little cute wreath, I got this Dollar Tree ribbon, and it's the fall theme, or whatever you want to call it. Or you can take your coffee filters that you can also purchase at Dollar Tree and create you some coffee filter flowers. Now, if you want to know how to do these flowers in particular, I have a video and I'll link it down at the bottom. But you can just take your coffee filter flowers and fluff them up. And then place it on your wreath. Now, this might, I done broke my flower. This may take some glue, some hot glue or whatever. Or you can use wire too. You see, it's trying to play me. I'm trying to hurry up before this camera overheat again. But, booyah. Y'all get the gist. And just put it on there like as such. You can turn it any way, however you want it to fit. So, and then with the ribbon, you can wrap it around, make you a cute little bow. Y'all already know. And there you have it, guys. My finished wreath. Now, I decided to use that Dollar Tree ribbon. I didn't cut it or whatever. I just, made it into a ribbon or whatever. And just left it more natural. Since fall is coming up. Is fall already here, y'all? Y'all know I don't know. But, so this would be like part of my little fall decor. It's simple, guys. You can add, of course, any embellishment that you want. As I mentioned before, the little coffee filter flowers, or even just any artificial flowers, or even real flowers to keep the whole natural vibe continuing. And you can use any of these things as your natural hook. Get a hook or whatever and place it on there, and then you can display your wreath however way you choose to do it. But I love the finished results. I like that it still look natural, even though I had like this bow up on it or whatever. And you can switch it all which ways until you're happy and satisfied. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, y'all already know what's up. Go ahead and hook your girl with a thumbs up. I see you guys next Sunday. Deuces.